Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick, really easy and quite cheap build for a standalone pull-up bar. This is going to be made out of 33mm scaffolding. It's not actually rated to scaffolding, it's the stuff that they use for handrails, but it's going to be more than strong enough for what we're going to do today. So to make this stable A-frame, we'll need 4 2.5 metre lengths for the main frame and 5 1.2 metre lengths for the cross beams, the base and the crossbar at the top. We'll need 2 acute angle elbow joints, 4 single swivels, 4 90-degree elbow joints and 2 short T-joints. They fit together really easily, everything just slides in and then you use an Allen key to tighten it up. So super easy. Yeah, nice and sturdy. And the main thing that I like about this setup is that it uses an adjustable angle at the top. So because of this, because you can adjust the angle that goes on at between 40 and 70 degrees, that's going to give this pull-up bar a variable height depending on your preferences of 205 centimeters to 235 centimeters. Obviously, the taller you have it, the less stable. The broader you have it, the more stable, but it's going to be pretty stable all in. The thing I like about this is that it has a lot of advantages over a lot of other pull-up bar setups you see in home gyms. Things like pull-up bars that go on doors, they can damage door frames, and you have to have your legs bent to be able to use them. And then freestanding pull-up bars you can buy like the Pull-Up Mate, they don't really go tall enough. You still need to have your legs bent to use them. Your other options then really are spending £300–400 plus on an A-frame style pull-up bar that's portable, or installing a permanent one in your garden. What I like about this one is that it's not permanent, it's standalone, you can move it around, and it's very quick to take down when you are done with it. Acute angle, that's going to go on the top, and then this short T, that's going to be what the crossbar attaches to. Swivelling bits, they're going to be the reinforcing crossbeam. So we put one of these on each side. So. And one of the 5 1.2 metre lengths attached to each of them, and that'll be the general shape of one of the halves of it. Okay, so there we are, not bad at all, quite proud of that. Pretty sturdy, definitely sturdy that way. It's got a little bit of wobble here, I think that's partially the ground it's on, and also partially because it could do with some supports here, which I might buy. That'll just be 4 short lengths, a couple of 45-degree end attachments, that won't be too expensive. But, pull up without having to have my legs bent, nice and sturdy, pull-ups, plenty of movement for doing some ab stuff, if you're the kind of person who likes to kip. Yeah. Nice and stable. Happy with that.